How to fix Facebook Marketplace blocked on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. First you will just open settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps or applications. Then you will go directly to Facebook, and when you found Facebook, just open it and go to storage. Then click on clear data and click OK. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.